Hey there, how's it going? So this is just going to be a quick video on how to convert a list to map in Scala. Say for example you have this list. So say you have say for example in the list you identify the key by prefixing it with a double hyphen, say name, and the value is just going to be like just normal string Stephen. And here you have, say for example, age, and value is 22, and you have city, you can call it Birmingham. So what I want to do is show you how to convert this to map, so it will look like this map. Name, so name Stephen, and so on. So to do that, I'm going to employ recursion function. So let me define my recursion here. I will call it list to map. So list to map is going to take in list so it's going to take in list parameter, and the type is going to be string, and accumulator here. I want to use tail recursion in this case, so I will have an accumulator that will return a map, and the data type of that map is going to be string, and this function is going to basically return map. So what I want to do is iterate through the list element. So I will say list match. So case head and tail. So first of all, I'm going to define a variable called here called var rest. I will say rest is empty. So rest in this case is basically going to be the rest of this list, the elements left in this list after each iteration. So the second variable is going to be accumulate. I'm going to say accumulate is going to be I'm going to reassign the accum here to this accumulate. So this rest is not going to be string, it's supposed to be list, and I will say it's empty list for now. So the first thing I need to do is add a key value pair to this accumulate. So I will say accumulate equal to accumulate plus. So I will take the head, and so this tail is the rest of the list. This is the key, and this will be the value, and the same as this one, this will be the key and this will be the value. So now I've taken the key here as head. To take the value, I will say t dot head, or you can say t at index 0. So t at index 0 now will be this one. So now you want to reassign this, the rest of this list, to rest variable. So what you will do in this case is say rest equal to, so rest equal to t dot drop 1. So since we've assigned this value here, right, we've basically added to this accumulate. In the returned list, we don't want this value, we want both of this part to be gone. So, and we want this part to be returned. Here our t is basically returning from returning this element. So what we need to do is drop this part of the element, right? We drop this one and we return the rest here. So that is the purpose of this t dot drop 1. Okay, and let me give this one a data type, list string. So the next thing is we recursively call this function here, call I'll say list to map. So the returned list will be rest, and the return accumulator will be accumulate. So the next case will be after this iteration is completed, I want to return the accumulate. So now we can go ahead and print this. Okay, let me assign it to a variable called lst map equal to list to map. I will assign this list to it, and I will say the initial map is going to be empty, map dot empty. Now I'll say print line lst map. So I think this should be outside of this function, outside of the recursion. Okay, now I can run this code. Okay, now you can see we've got our key value pair. The city is Birmingham, the age is 22, the name is Stephen. If you want, you can drop this double hyphens by trimming this head dot trim, or strip. I don't think trim will work. Strip, you can use a strip prefix, and that will be double hyphens. And to get a particular value of a particular key, you can say print line lst map at, so you have to give the key name here, say for example age. Okay, let's run it again. So as you can see, we've basically stripped the double hyphens, and we are getting the normal key value pair without havings, and we are able to get the edge, as you can see in this result. So where this sort of code would be useful is when you are passing command line arguments to your Scala application. So this command line argument will be in the form of array, right? And so you may want to pass key value pair sometime to your command line argument, and you want to get particular key, but if they are coming in the form of array, it will be difficult to get a particular key, just like I got it here, right? So this code can come in handy when it comes to that particular use case. So you can basically convert those array to map, and you can get the particular key that you want. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and leave a comment. Have a lovely day, and goodbye.